Hi, everyone. Welcome to Wander and Wonder. Today, we're exploring one of the most stunning and historic regions in New York, the Hudson Valley. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a foodie, this region has something for everyone. So let's dive into the top 5 destinations you absolutely can't miss in the Hudson Valley. Our first stop is the Storm King Art Center, a sprawling outdoor sculpture park located in Mountainville. This 500-acre oasis blends nature and art seamlessly, offering breathtaking views and incredible installations. Pro tip, wear comfortable shoes and bring a picnic to make the most of your visit. Next up is the Walkway over the Hudson in Poughkeepsie. Spanning 1.28 miles, it's the longest elevated pedestrian bridge in the world. The panoramic views of the Hudson River are simply unmatched, especially during sunrise or sunset. It's perfect for a peaceful stroll or a bike ride. Third on our list is the iconic Mohonk Mountain House in New Paltz. This historic resort looks like a fairy tale castle perched by a lake. You don't need to stay overnight to enjoy its beauty. Day passes give you access to over 85 miles of hiking trails and the stunning gardens. For art enthusiasts, Dia Beacon in Beacon is a must visit. Housed in a former Nabisco factory, this museum features large-scale contemporary art that's as thought-provoking as it is impressive. While you're in Beacon, take time to explore the charming downtown area, full of boutique shops and cafes. Finally, foodies, this one's for you. The Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park is a world-renowned institution that also offers dining experiences at its on-campus restaurants. You'll get to enjoy gourmet meals prepared by the next generation of top chefs. So there you have it, our top 5 destinations in the Hudson Valley. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!